you can keep the laptop, okay? You can keep the laptop. They will be starting liquidation today, and it will be for the next couple of weeks to a couple of months. Again, we were not given any notice. The company had been involved in a lot of shady things, which I could get into. And they were not able to dig themselves out of the grave. So instead of letting employees know that business might not be good, there might not be enough cash flow, we might be closing down, filing Chapter 7,